In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix FIFA 23 error. The application encountered an unrecoverable error problem step by step. Detailed solution. Step 1. Enabling secure boot. Press the Windows key and type mesinfo32 into the search box. Click on System Information, locate the Secure Boot State entry. If it's off, proceed with enabling secure boot. Step 2. Disabling secure boot. 4. Shut down your computer, turn it back on and immediately start tapping the BIOS key, F2 for Dell, F10 for HP, or the appropriate key for your brand. Navigate to the Boot section in the BIOS, find Secure Boot and select it. Enable Secure Boot, save your changes and exit the BIOS. Step 3. Uninstalling EA Anti-Cheat. 9. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling EA Anti-Cheat. Navigate to the FIFA 23 installation folder. For Origin installations, go to Program Files, x86, Origin Games, FIFA 23. For other installations, locate the FIFA 23 folder in the appropriate directory. Open the Installer folder and then the EA Anti-Cheat folder. Right-click on eaentityinstaller.exe and select Run as Administrator. Choose FIFA 23 and click Uninstall. After uninstalling, click Install to reinstall EA Anti-Cheat. Step 4. Reinstalling EA Anti-Cheat via Origin or EA App. 15. Launch Origin or EA App as an administrator. Navigate to the library and select FIFA 23. Click Play to launch the game. If you encounter an error during this process, close Origin or EA App. Reopen Origin or EA App as an administrator and try launching the game again. If the issue persists, uninstall EA Anti-Cheat again, and then reinstall it from the game installation folder. Finally, try launching the game. Hope it's help. Like the video and subscribe to Proudly Technical.